Okay. Oh shit! There we go. Oh shit! Oh my god! Oh yeah! And they're shooting big rockets into the, and exploding, and there's sparks, and that's that one. Okay, I'm gonna leave the cell phone by it. Okay, this one's called Universal Rocket, and I'm gonna leave the cell phone by this thingy. Okay. No, I'm just gonna leave it there and run away. I'm just going to leave the phone and run away, and then I'm going to come back and pick the phone up. Oh, match went out. Okay, another one. Match take 2. Okay, wait. Yeah! Ooh! Oh. Woo! Did you hear that? No, yeah, that was pretty much the same as the last one, actually. That was fascinating, though, I tell you. That one's for Sue Bradford. I know, I was thinking that. I sort of shut my eyes and I couldn't see them at all. I think it started off really well.